never stops. Great things take time. Welcome again in e-learning classes, dear students. This is your English teacher Priyanka Khandelwal. Hope you all are fit and fine and excited to learn with me. New lesson 9. I am not far away. In this video, dear students, I will explain to you your book exercise question answer. So let's start with fun. Students, first question, read the given sentences and write if they are true or false. Let's say first, Anita's father spent most of his time away from home. Yes, it's true, it's correct. Anita's father live in Dinjan. He worked in there, so it's true. Next is Dinjan is the neighboring city of Patna. No, it's false. Dinjan is far away from Patna. So this is false. Understood? Next is Anita and Shiv. Anita and Shiv could see each other on their computer screen. Yes, of course, dear students, it's true. Anita, with the help of video calling, Anita father Shiv prepared to her for recite competition. Poem recite competition, so it's true. Understood? Next is Anita learned to speak different words in different ways. Yes, this is also true. Because her father helped to her for different ways, broad when we speak broad or loud sound, soft sound, whatever, and so on. Next, Anita was declared the best among all the participants. It's false because Anita got second prize. She is not the best, but she is good also. So it's false. Move to the next question, dear students. Next question, that is choose the correct option to complete these sentences. It's very simple. You try to understand whole questions. It's very easy. Always do your best in this MCQ question. So let's start. Anita choose a poem. From where Anita choose a poem? From website. Good. Then long ago, blank had recited the ant and cricket in school. Who recited long ago in the school? And the correct answer is Anita father Shiv. Okay. Then Anita learned to recite the poem over. From where Anita learned the poem? From the video call. Understood? And she showed to Anita that what she want to show Anita, that is he wasn't far away from her. Because he was far away from her? No, he does not want to show. She could learn from the poem without presence at home. It's also wrong, and the correct answer, he wasn't far away from her. Then move to the next question. The principal said that learning to recite over a video call was. What principal said? For this activity, learning recite the poem from video call. Principal not said it's a waste of time. It's a wrong answer. Something the principal too had done in his childhood. No, that time not possible to this type of techniques in the principal childhood. So the correct answer is a great idea. Principal said it's a great idea. Then move to the next question, dear students. That is answer these questions and this question you write in your copy properly. Also learn it. What's first question? How I wish he was here to help me. Who said this and about whom? Also why? Who said this? I wish. That is Anita. Anita said this about her father. Anita said this about her father. Why? Because she said this because her father was working in far away a place Dinjan, and she need in a poem reciting competition, so that she muttering herself. Move to the next question. That is second question. Think and name their. Think and name 3 people who helped Anita to prepare for the poem competition, and how did they help? Which 3 people helped? That is Anita teacher first, Anita mother, and Anita father. How? But how they help? Anita teacher, mother and father help Anita, and Anita prepare for the competition. Now Anita's teacher help. How? By choosing a poem from a website. Anita teacher help to her by choosing a poem from websites. Second, mother's Lalita helped her by encouraging to her. Mother encouraging to her, do this, you are doing best, like this. And Anita's father helped her by showing the posture for recitation. Father help whenever we broad the eyes, whenever we slow our voice or loudly, like this. Next question. Question number 3. Do you think Anita enjoyed reciting the poem on stage? Why do you think so? Do you think Anita enjoyed the poem? Yes, of course. But why also? Yes, 2 questions. And the answer is yes. First question answer is yes. And yes, of course, Anita enjoyed reciting the poem on the stage. And why? Because her father told to her that what? If she enjoyed reciting the poem, the audience will enjoy reciting to it, to her. Understood? Then move to the next question. Hope you understood. Move to the next question. That is, what 3 things did Shiv teach Anita to do while reciting the poem? Which 3 things Shiv told to Anita? And here the following 3 things. How to write the answer like this. The following 3 things Shiv. This line comes from the question. And the following 3 things Shiv taught. Always remember, dear students, whenever you write the answer, you write in a past tense. So here, teach past tense, taught. Taught Anita to do while reciting the poem. First point, to stand straight with feet together and head high. Second point, to look wide-eyed and happy. And third point, to look grumpy and sad according to the verse. These 3 points she told to Anita. Move to the next question. Next exercise from your book. It's a very interesting exercise, dear students. Hope you very well do it and also enjoy. So let's see what interesting here. Here is the sounding word. Which sounding word? That is F sound. Fan sound word. Whenever we say it's game also, you play with your family members, your friends. F sound. Now move to F sound. Which type of F sound word? Fur sound. Fur. Fan sound. Like this. Flow. Okay. Flee. Fly. This type of F sound. So let's do this exercise see, with the help of F sound. Here you say aloud the names of these pictures objects and circle the ones that have F sound, that is fan sound. And now I have already told to you F sound, that is fly, flee, flow. Okay, so let's do with fun. What is this? It's the father. And father F sound, fan sound. So we circle here. What is this? It's a photo frame. Photo frame. So this is also a F sound. Students, remember here photo. Spelling is PHOTO, but pronunciation, that is first sound. It's this thief. So no need to circle. No need to circle. It's a very simple. It's a fan. So circle it. Fan. This mobile. So no need to circle it. It's what we say first. First sound. First. So you circle it also here. Who is showing here? It's a 5th June. 5th means again first sound. So this also circle it. And which thing this? Which picture is fishing rod, first sound, fan sound. So you also circle it. Next, move to exercise. Move to the next exercise. It's the listening part. So move to the next exercise. Already we do it. After that, you do this activity also with your friend, your family members. It is also very interesting activity. Make a words, make a sentence from given word, that is I can. Already we say I can, I can't, I can. मैं कर सकता हूँ, I can't, मैं कर नहीं सकती. So I move. Words in a group of 4. Think and tell the others any 2 things that you do on your own at home. Focus to which things you do at home. 2 things you say, those you do at home, and 2 tasks that you can't do on your own. So dear students, see, I can. Which 2 sentences? I can. For example, I say to, I can read the book, but here at home, those you things do at your home. That is, I can clean my bedroom, I can clean my study table, I can help my mother, I can plant, watering the plant, like this. And 2 sentences that we do not do at home. I can't. I can't touch electric wires, electric appliances. I can't throwing garbage here and there. So dear students, you make this 2 sentences. Write in your copy too. Here I write here 1 sentence, that is I can clean room. Here I can't. I can't touch electric wire. I can't touch electric wires. Next, move to the next question. That is also very interesting. Here, 1 member from each group should tell make a group. Now you play with group, make 1 member can tell any 4 things, and you make a sentence from we can. We mean we can. It's a group word. It's a group work, group game. Then what do you say? We can win the game. We can do the best. We can win game. Understood? We can win game. So dear students, hope you very well understood about this I can, I can't and we can. Next, move to the next part. Next part of this exercise. It's related with your past tense. It's related with past tense. And always you know, in the past tense, past form, ending words add with ed or d. Ending words add with ed or d. For example, in this sentence, Anita said, "Hello Appu, today was my first day in the school book club." And our teacher read us a story. It was. In this sentence, which is a past tense, which one is that is said. Said is a past word. Was showing past word sentence. Yes, students, read the story and find out past word. Some I do after you do also yourself. Okay. Sat. Sit past tense. Sat. Listen past tense. Listen. Here ending ed and next is spoke. Speak past tense spoke. So it was. This was also past form. And we said we wanted. So dear students, you read this paragraph and search, find out past tense word. Next, move to the next exercise, that is exercise number B. Can you change this word to the past form by adding d? Yes, of course we change it. That is learn ed. Here also ending ed, or here already we do it. So you complete and learn too. Next exercise. But dear students, remember, not always add in the past form ed or d. In some words, changes their past form. For example, come past tense, came. Come past tense, came. Begin past tense, began. Here, changes in the word. Then do past tense, did, break, broke, and fall, fell. So remember, not always ending d or ed. Some words are changes with their words also. So dear students, this is your exercise D. You complete this question and answer with the correct words. Here already I written this related with past form. Those already we learned, and also we done 2 or 3 exercise related. What teacher do? He reads story. Conversion this sentence in the past form. It's very simple. Very simple. Do past tense already we know. So what did the teacher do? And read past tense already read here. But he read us a story. Okay. What choose? He chose Harry Potter. What choose? But it's a past tense. We make past tense, that is after what? What did he choose? He chose Harry Potter. Where they sit? Already we know. In the previous paragraph we learned sit past tense sat. And where did? But we here use did. Where did? They sat. Or they sit. They sat on the floor. How teacher speak? He speak different voices. How? So which passage we use here? How did? Or what they say? They said. What they say? What did they say? Understood? When we make a sentence, that time we use did. And when we write the answer, that time converts the words past form. Understood? It's very interesting and simple exercise, that is your emoticons showing. So dear students, already all of you know this thumbs up sign. It's a great job. Angry, sick, think, happy and astonished. Hope you very well understood about all exercise of lesson 9. So dear students, you read whole exercise, try to solve your own self also, and if you have any doubts, any problem, you are asked to be free. Understood students? So meet you in next video. Till revise, write, complete, eat healthy, be safe and grow more and more trees. Thank you.